Your life might be shaped by a mysterious event. Imagine it as an answer to a silent prayer or a challenge that helps you grow. In either case, it's meant for you. Type "I'm ready" in the comments to embrace this message. Picture this: you're going through your day, and suddenly you get an unexpected call. The authorities have discovered a package with your name on it. There's no return address and no clear sender, but it's clearly linked to you. The secretive nature and urgent delivery suggest it's no ordinary package. In our spiritual lives, we often come across such packages. These might be surprising events, unexplained blessings, or unforeseen challenges. These moments bring messages meant for us to decode. But not everyone dares to open these packages, held back by fear of the unknown. Type "I'm opening it" to show your bravery in facing what lies ahead. Have you noticed how some things in life seem to happen at just the right moment? This isn't by chance, it's divine timing. This package, both literally and metaphorically, symbolizes the culmination of events perfectly arranged by a higher power. Maybe you've been seeking clarity in a relationship, a financial breakthrough, or peace in an ongoing turmoil. Now, imagine this package arriving at your doorstep, packed with unexpected and transformative contents. Could it be that this moment is precisely what you've been prepared for? Perhaps the delays weren't setbacks but careful redirections. Type "I trust God's timing" to align yourself with this perfect plan. Not all gifts are wrapped in shiny paper with bows. Some come disguised as trials, disappointments, or heartbreaks. Consider the possibility that these challenging packages are actually blessings in disguise. Reflect on times when a difficult situation led to growth, deeper understanding, or a stronger connection with your faith. The package you're about to receive might be a wake-up call, a nudge to stop avoiding your purpose, to reconnect with your faith, or to confront a neglected aspect of your life. It might be intimidating, but remember, nothing comes your way without a reason. Type "I will overcome" to declare your readiness to face whatever challenges lie ahead. Let's open this box together. As you peel back the layers, feel a mix of anticipation and fear. Inside, you find a handwritten letter. The whole journey right away, you might feel overwhelmed or try to rush through without learning what each step has to teach. So this map unfolds as you go, guiding you just enough to keep your faith strong. This letter, deeply personal and written just for you, says, "My beloved, I have seen your struggles, your tears, and your doubts. I know it's been tough, but remember, every challenge has been molding you, preparing you for greater things. Trust me. I am about to bring something new into your life. Open your heart to me, for what I have planned for you is beyond anything you could imagine." Doesn't that message strike a chord within you? It's not just any note, it's a testament to the promises God holds for you. You are chosen, loved, and never forgotten. If this message touches your heart, say, "This is for me." But here's an interesting twist: this package isn't just about what you receive, it's also about what is revealed inside you. What if this package is not about tangible things, but about spiritual gifts like a boost in confidence, a renewed sense of purpose, or a rekindled faith? The truth is, everything you need has already been placed inside you by the Creator. This package is merely the key to unlocking those treasures. Have you ever felt a deep stirring inside, a sense that you were meant for more? That feeling is no coincidence. The Lord has been preparing you for this revelation all along. Say, I'm ready to receive, to accept the truth of who you are and what God has in store. Think about the times you've waited anxiously for a delivery. The delays, the constant checking. Yes, it's frustrating. But when it finally arrives, the joy makes all the waiting worthwhile. Life is much the same. You might wonder why certain things haven't happened yet. Here's something to remember: God's timing is flawless. He knows when you are ready to embrace His gifts. Sometimes He waits until you've learned the necessary lessons to handle the blessings properly. Your package is on its way. Will you trust the process? Say, I trust you, Lord, to affirm your faith in His perfect timing. Blessings aren't always obvious. Sometimes they arrive wrapped in challenges, looking more like burdens than gifts. Yet, consider this: every challenge has the potential for growth. Reflect on your life instances that initially seemed negative but ultimately led to significant, positive changes. Are exactly what we're talking about. This is the kind of package that may not look like a blessing at first, but ends up transforming your life in unimaginable ways. If you're ready to grow and embrace whatever comes, say, I'm ready to grow. As you hold this spiritual package, you begin to realize its profound nature. Inside, you discover not a physical map, but a spiritual blueprint, a guide to the path God has designed just for you. Each twist, turn, and detour has been carefully planned, but the journey isn't fully revealed at once. It shows just the next step, keeping the rest shrouded in mystery. This is how God teaches us to trust Him one step at a time. If He revealed everything immediately, we might miss the lessons each phase brings. Plan. This journey starts with a single step, even if you don't see the entire path ahead. If you're ready to trust God with the next chapter of your life, type "Show me the way." Just when you think you've seen everything, you find something else in the package, a key. Its design is intricate and seems almost magical, warm to the touch. This key is a symbol, representing new opportunities that seemed gone forever, chances to mend relationships, to rediscover missed blessings, all once thought out of reach. Remember though, you have to use this key. God provides the tools, but it's up to you to take action. Will you unlock the doors before you, or let fear hold you back? Type "I'm unlocking it" to show you're ready to embrace the opportunities prepared for you. Here's something astonishing: the package wasn't sent from the outside, it has been within you all along. God placed everything you need, every talent, every dream, every bit of strength inside you from the start. The challenges, the prayers, the doubts, they were all part of unwrapping this gift. It's time to stop searching outward and start looking within. Everything you've been seeking is inside you. Type "I am" the package to affirm your belief in the divine gifts within. Then, something miraculous occurs. The package moves. It's alive, breathing, and shining brightly. This represents the Holy Spirit, the living presence of God within you, moving to guide, comfort, and empower you. This is the ultimate gift, one that can transform every aspect of your life. Can you feel it stirring inside? That's not a coincidence, it's confirmation. Type "The Spirit lives in me" if you're ready to embrace this life-changing truth. And then, something incredible happens. The package explodes. This isn't destructive, it's a breakthrough. Every barrier you've faced, fear, doubt, pain, is shattered. In their place, you find clarity, peace, and power. This explosion wasn't to harm you, but to free you. Type "I'm breaking free" to claim your liberation from all that's been holding you back. As you stand amid the glowing remnants, you realize you're not just a recipient, you're also a messenger. The blessings you've received are meant to be shared. Think of those who need your story, who are waiting for the light you now carry. Will you answer the call to spread hope, love, and faith? Type "I will share the light" if you're ready to impact others. The final discovery is the most profound. Within the package, you find a book, ancient and glowing with divine energy. As you open its pages, you see your name inscribed in golden letters, a clear sign that you were chosen, loved, and destined for greatness. This isn't just a gift, it's a reminder of who you are and whose you are. Type "My name is written" to declare your faith and claim your eternal place in God's plan. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.